I didn't feel ready to make this video. But unfortunately, a video was shared about my personal life and our family, and so I feel that it's best to talk with you guys and kind of let you in a little bit more than we have. I know it's felt off lately because things have been off lately. That's how life goes, you know? You're always just trying to hold things together the best you can, put your best foot forward, do your best for yourself and your kids, and I'm not here to spread dirt or mud. I understand that I'm in the public eye, and I so appreciate the love and support and the kind comments that I've received. The positive ones so far outweigh the negative ones, and I'm so grateful for that. And I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm sorry, I've been a bit of a mess. This is kind of why there's a lot of reasons why I wasn't ready to make this video, but definitely being in this state has been a reason. But here we are. So, yes, Kyle and I are in the beginning stages of a divorce. And our family has been going through a very turbulent time, and it's been incredibly hard on all of us. I don't want to overshare details out of respect for everyone involved, and specifically our children. I want to, of course, do my best to protect them. I don't feel that there's any benefit to it, and I understand that everyone's going to be curious what happened, and at a point in the future maybe we will speak on those things a little bit, but also, you know, nobody really knows the inner workings of anyone's life. You know, even a good friend, there's always more that people aren't seeing, and you know, things have been going up and down for a while. This was not a decision that came lightly, and it is very heartbreaking. I'm not good with words a lot actually, but specifically right now, we don't have many answers right now. We don't really know exactly what the future holds, but you know, as things unravel and as things unfold, I will keep you guys updated of what things will look like going forward. I am so grateful for YouTube. YouTube was something that I started back in 2017. I was coming out of postpartum depression with our youngest, and YouTube reignited a fire in me because I had lost that during postpartum depression, and I will forever be grateful. And it's meant so much to me to hear so many of you over the years reach out and say that my videos and the things that I've shared has helped you, because I know what it's like to be on the other side of that. This has been the worst time in my life, and the most difficult and the most trying, and I wouldn't wish it on anyone. And I'm trying to wake up from this nightmare that's my reality right now. And I know that time heals a lot of things, and I'm trying to hold on to that. With that being said, I need to have a focus, because I feel when you're going through things that are very difficult, if you don't give yourself something positive to look for and to strive for, it's so easy to just spiral into a dark hole. And I need to not do that for myself, and I need to not do that for my kids. And so I am still going to be showing up here on YouTube. I am still going to be sharing videos. I know it's looked different. I haven't been posting all the extras for a little while. And that's a lot because all of my extra effort was put into figuring this out and sorting things out and making sure that I'm making the decision that I feel will be the best decision and not just a quick one made. But with that, I will be really leaning into sharing content, and hopefully I can, even in this dark time in my life, I hope that I can be a light for some of you. And if you're going through something, I hope that it can help you know you're not alone. I know I've felt that from some of the comments and messages that I've received from you guys over the years, but especially in the past few months. And I just think there will be a lot of good things to look forward to. As we begin to figure things out and find out more details of what things will be looking like in the future, I will let you guys know. I will keep you informed. Like I said, I really, especially at this point, I don't feel that there is a good benefit to sharing all the details of everything. And that's really just out of respect for our family and for my kids specifically. And I hope that you understand that. I know it's a burning question, what happened. We're always curious about what's going on. I hope that you can understand that that choice is coming from a good place. I am so grateful, again, just for all of your guys' love and support. However, any comments negative that are left about Kyle or my kids or myself will be removed, because this is already an unimaginably difficult time, and those comments are just, they can feel very hurtful and they can cut really deep in this time. And so I ask that, if you are wanting to show your love or support, that is so welcome, and I appreciate that. And if you have a negative thing to say, I would ask that you please refrain. I also would ask that you guys continue to give me grace during this time. I promise you, I am doing my absolute best. I feel like I'm drowning in these moments, but I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best to be the best mom I can be for my kids. I'm trying to make the best decisions I can for everyone involved. I'm trying to show up here with you guys. I'm trying to be a good sister and daughter, and I'm just trying my best, and I'm so grateful for the grace that you guys have shown me in this time, and I pray that that continues, because we just all need someone in these times. I'm sorry, I feel like this is all over the place. It's just a peek in my mind right now. Like I said, I just wasn't quite ready to make this video, but I feel the time kind of came up on me a little bit sooner than I had expected. If you've been here for a while, you know me, you know I try to keep things positive. I try to look at things optimistically, and at times I struggle with that, as do most people, I would say. You know, at this point, I am trying to find any positives to grasp onto. I am looking forward to the things that I will share. I feel like I'm going to be putting a lot of positivity into this channel because I'm hoping that YouTube can do the same thing for me that it did all those years ago when it helped pull me out of postpartum depression. But now I'm just on the content creation side of it, and I can use YouTube to force myself to show up and find positive in life, because there is a lot of positive, even though this is a really difficult time. I'm so incredibly grateful for you guys. A lot of you have been with me for years and years, and I'm so thankful for your continued love and support. I know that you guys have grown to know Kyle and I over the years. There were a lot of really good times with us, like a lot. We were best friends. We were together since we were 17, and even still, I can't imagine my life without him, but life just throws you a lot of curveballs. Anyway, I don't even know how to end this. I don't know what to say at all. Come here, Felix. Hey, buddy. I will say, if you're new here, if this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, this is not the type of video that I typically share. I usually share much more upbeat, motivating, positive, homemaking, cleaning, decluttering, home makeover style videos. And even with this going on, that's what you can expect from here on. So thank you so much for being with me over the years. If you're new, welcome. I hope you'll stick around. And thank you for your love and support and grace during this time. I will always be so thankful and grateful for any good thoughts, any prayers specifically for our kids during this time. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.